Best insurance lead generation companies and services plus AI. Insurance lead generation is vital for connecting with quality prospects in a competitive market. AI tools enhance targeting and personalization, improving lead quality and conversion rates. This video highlights the top insurance lead generation companies and effective strategies. Why use insurance lead generation companies? These companies deliver quality leads, save time, and help insurers focus on high-potential clients. Advanced targeting ensures the right products reach the right customers, boosting growth and competitiveness. Best insurance lead generation companies. 1. AnyBiz revolutionizes insurance lead generation with AI-driven automation, replacing traditional SDR roles to streamline prospecting. It identifies potential clients through advanced algorithms, ensures email deliverability with warming tools, and engages prospects with personalized outreach and landing pages. With access to a vast prospect database, AnyBiz enables scalable growth for businesses of all sizes, providing real-time insights to optimize campaigns. While there's a learning curve for new users, its cost-effectiveness and high-quality lead generation make it a standout solution. Try AnyBiz free for 7 days and transform your lead generation strategy today. 2. Smart Financial offers real-time quotes from 200-plus carriers for auto, home, health, life, and commercial insurance. Its user-friendly platform provides tailored coverage options and educational resources for free. However, users must contact providers for details, and it lacks in-person support. Quote Wizard provides free quotes for auto, home, renters, health, and life insurance, along with resources and agent support. However, it shares user data with insurers and only facilitates comparisons, not policy sales. 4. EverQuote connects users with insurers, offering free, personalized quotes for auto, home, health, life, and renters insurance. Its simple platform and educational resources make comparing rates easy. However, it shares user data with insurers, leading to potential unsolicited contact, and only serves as a comparison tool. 5. Datalot, part of Centerfield Insurance Services, optimizes lead generation for auto, home, life, health, and Medicare insurance through targeted digital campaigns and real-time consumer qualification. It offers advanced routing, compliance tools, and automated agent tools for high-quality leads, but may be complex for traditional or less tech-savvy users. Hometown Quotes connects insurance agents with real-time, exclusive leads for auto, home, health, and life insurance. Designed by agents, it offers agent training, CRM integration, and streamlined lead management. While effective, lead costs can be high, and face-to-face support is unavailable. ZipQuote connects agents with high-intent prospects for auto and home insurance, offering tools like live call transfers and lead flow control. While it delivers targeted leads with strong conversion potential, its focus on auto and home insurance may limit flexibility for broader needs. Prioritize quality leads, AI-driven targeting, industry expertise, and transparent pricing, CRM integration and compliance streamline management, while AI automates and enhances lead nurturing. AI revolutionizes insurance lead generation by improving targeting and automating lead nurturing. Tools like AnyBiz analyze data signals, sending personalized communications to high-intent prospects. This approach boosts lead quality, increases conversions, and saves time for closing deals. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.